Wait. Before disliking this video, I got permission from just Asta to make this video. Come on Asta, you can do it.
You get out of here right now.
A guy who kills 41 in a TDM. But a guy who dies 100 times in a TDM.
I'm joking. Ой, блин.
Why are you crying?
A guy who can beat no. But a guy who can't beat pros. Okay, don't cry, I won't roast you again. Do you know Asta poops 100 times per day? Ha 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 ha.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Didn't you guys love my joke?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Okay, chill guys, I won't do bad joke again. Man, he gets so many likes. And me.
미션 실패.
Why are you crying?
So guys, thanks for watching, please subscribe and also don't hate Asta, he's a good guy, all this video was to make you laugh and to entertain you. If you really loved the video then please subscribe for more and like the video. Thank you.